In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge clips in Pro Tools. Now to do this, you first have to have multiple clips. So I'm going to use this first track as an example over here, where as you can see, I have two clips. And now the second, of course, tip would be to basically put them however you want them to be. So I want them to be, for example, this separated. You can make them closer as well if you wanna. And if you want to merge them, you simply want to go to this tool up top, which is called Selector Tool. Click on it and then simply click and drag over them, and then go to Edit, top left, and you can see here it says Consolidate Clip. So click on that, and just like this, as you can see, it's going to merge those clips, okay? Now selection here is going to be crucial because as much as you select, that much is going to get consolidated, okay? So just like this, if I click on that, it's going to consolidate this much. Now if you just want to join these, the easiest way would be to select both. So click on this hand tool up top or the grabber tool, click on the first one, hold down your control key and click on the second one, or sometimes the shift key is going to be required. So click the first, hold down the shift key, click the second, and then go to edit, and then here consolidate, and there we go, you've merged your clips. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.